Okay, number 2 says Fran loves school, and number 3 says I am in 2nd grade. Remember, we are practicing our basic rules for sentence writing this week. We make sure we start our sentence with a capital letter, and we have to finish our sentence with a period. So those are our sentences today. You can go ahead and write them correctly, okay? I'll give you a few minutes to do that. For us to get them complete. All right, so number 1 says, Matt gave mom a gift. How should this sentence be written correctly, Joshua?
You put a capitalized M on, you put a capitalized M and you put a period.
Yes, capitalize my first letter M and finish with a period. Good. All right, number 2, Fran loves school. How do we write this one correctly? Person.
Capitalize the M.
Capitalize my first letter F. And a period. Good. And number 3, I am in 2nd grade. How do we write this correct, Avaya?
Capitalize the I.
Capitalize the I.
Put a period at the end.
And a period. Awesome. Okay, so this is what we'll do in our test on tomorrow. We'll have some sentences we have to write correctly. Make sure we put our capital letter and period. Very basic. This week, next week, we'll jump into kind of going into proper nouns with our sentences, okay? All right, good job with that. Go ahead and get out your letters book. We'll practice letter T on today. On page 6 in your book. The letters book, page 6.
I'm in my room. I'm in my room, so my books are in here. I'm in my room, so my books are over there. See them?
First, let me show you who you want at the top.
I already did page 6, Miss Fludence. She didn't tell us.
I did. I didn't say do the warm up. I actually did not. All I said was to go to the page. There's a difference.
Miss Fludence,
Yes.
I already did page 6 by doing my homework.
Okay, letter T.
Yep.
Okay.
Should I do TA and TO?
Yeah, it's connecting with the other vowels.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's fine. Yeah, I still have to go over it, but that's good if you did it.
I didn't do that one. I already did T. I'm asking if I can do that one.
Oh yeah. That's. I'm just gonna explain it first, and then we're gonna get to it. Why are we doing the page? Taylor. All right, so let's go ahead and discuss letter T. And I want to show you how we connect it to our other letters as well. I mean, our vowels. So letter T, we'll start on our red line here. We're going to curve up. We go back down the same line. We kick it out, and then we cross. Crossing your T is the last thing you do, guys. Never stop halfway to cross it. Always finish it. Again, you're going to curve up, come back down the same line, kick it out, cross. It's important to go back down the same line you went up because this is what happens if you don't. If you go down like that, this is what it will look like. That is not a T. That's an A, actually. So again, go up, go back down the same line, and then it splits. Then you cross it. Now let's connect O and T together. So if I connect T-O, remember O starts up here and A starts up here. So let me show you how that looks when we connect it. If I'm connecting TA, I'm going to curve up, I'm going to come down, and then as I go into writing A, I go halfway, then I come back around to finish my A, come down, kick it out, cross my T. It's important to do the halfway and come back around. This is what happens if you don't. If I just try to connect it like this is what A will look like. We don't want it to look like that. When connecting TA and TO, you go halfway, come around, finish your your A. When you do O, same thing, go halfway, come back around to finish. Those letters, you have to go halfway first, and then back around. I can tell when you don't do it because of how it will look, okay? So again, we have our T down. If we have an O, we will go halfway, come back around, down, close it, kick it out, cross your T. All right, you can do the whole page. Let me see it when you're done. Yeah, but take your time though. You don't have to rush. There's no need to rush. All right, so page 15 in our phonics and language, we're doing dictation. I will say the vowel sound. You write the vowel and mark the vowel according to the sound. First one, O, O, write the vowel and mark it. O.
I'll tell you the question I had after Zoom.
Okay. All right, what vowel is it?
Oh.
And how do we mark it? With the long vowel O. Next one, write the vowel and mark it. Okay, what's our vowel? You. And how do we mark it? Smiley face. That was not you. All right, next vowel. A. Write the vowel and mark it. A. I know y'all are not playing. I know. All right, what is it? What's our vowel? A. How do we mark it?
With a line.
Line over. That's a long vowel. A. Good. Next one. I. I mean, technically, but you know. Okay. Okay, what's our vowel? I. How do we mark it? Straight line. All right, next row, let's do some blends. Remember, we write the blend and we mark the vowel, okay? Write the blend, mark the vowel. Go ahead. Bathroom, I that's what you gonna ask me, bathroom? First one, yeah, da. Yeah, because I had stopped sending y'all. Michael, bathroom, da. Yes, mark your vowel as well in your blend. Da. No, it's really not funny either. Okay, I want you to raise your hand now. How do we write this blend? Can anyone tell me what is the blend? How do we mark the vowel? Okay, Joshua, what's the blend?
How do you mark the blend?
Da, what's the blend?
I mark that.
Okay, what are the letters? Like, what's the letters?
D-A.
D-A, how do we mark the vowel?
You put a smiley face.
Yes, good. All right, next one. C. Listen to this one closely. C, this is a blend. C. And mark your vowel in that blend. All right, how do we write C? Taylor bathroom. Dennis, how do we write C?
S-E.
And how do we mark the vowel?
With a straight line.
Straight line over the E, long vowel E. Next one, ma, ma, ma. How do we write the blend? Ma. Yes, stop. Okay, ma, ma. Okay, Naraya, what you have? Ma. M-O, how do we mark the vowel? With the smiley face. All right, last one. Q. 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 I don't know. I can't say. You have to. No, man, why would I tell you? Q.
That's not good, babe. I know. It's supposed to be.
Okay, Q. It's a tricky one. Come on, stand sit down. Q, what you got? No, not Q you. Anybody else? Q. Nobody knows how to write Q? What you got? What you have, Dennis?
Q.
Huh?
Q.
Yes, but what's the blend? Q. Okay. Q is C-U. Special sign, I mean, yes, Q. Q. C says, U says U. Q.
I put 2 U's on.
All right, good try. All right, good job. All right, good. All right, so that's it. This, your dictation. All right, let's practice a couple of things on the board.
Can we come up to the board?
All right, so let's go ahead and go over chart 6. That'll be our first thing. Remember, that's our phonics chart. Now, I don't even know where it is.
I think
It wasn't.
Was it yellow?
All right, it's yellow in here, but it's not yellow the actual chart. What's it all the way down? She asks you that every single day. All right, let's go ahead, CK. CK says Doug. He says E, and me. O says O, and go. Y says I, and fly. Y says A, and pray. S, T says and stop. PL says pull, and plane. FR says fur, and frog. TR says chur, and train. SH says and ship. TH says and fit. TA says and this. says cool, and clock. L says cool, and wait. And GL says cool, and glue. Awesome. All right, so chart 6 today, yesterday we did CKEOY. Today we'll do AY that says A, like in pray. Whatever. All right. Green is just like tripping.
It's black.
Sorry, I'm trying to face the screen. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our first sound. All right, everybody, what's my special sound? And tell me the word.
AY.
AY, and what's the word?
Hey.
Good. Joshua, special sound.
Which word I am on? Mr. Legend?
Yes.
Which word I am on?
Special sound. This one, what's the special sound?
AY.
AY, what's the word?
Ray.
Good. Dennis, next one, special sound.
AY.
AY, and what's the word?
May.
Good. Next one, Faith, special sound. What's the word?
Stay.
Stay. Good. Next one. Okay, what's the word? Good. Carson, sound.
Blue Jaybird.
It could be J, a verb, blue J, or it could be J, someone's name.
J.
What's the word?
Day.
Day. Awesome. So that is special sound AY that says A like in day. All right. Let's also review our vowel sounds. We have two types of vowels, sharp vowels and long vowels. What do the sharp vowels say? A, E, I. What do the long vowels say?
A, E, I, O, U.
Awesome. So this week, your spelling list had a lot of CK sounds and KE sounds in it as well. And so I want you to just to take a note of how to identify when to use CK or KE because they both say CK will always go with sharp vowel sounds like back, you hear that ah, tack, you hear that ah. KE will always go with long vowel sounds. You hear the A in bake and the A in take. Do you see what I'm saying? So that's how you identify the difference between CK and KE. This is something we learned last year, but just as a review, CK and KE both say, but that vowel will tell you which one to put. You hear a sharp vowel, you put CK. If you hear a long vowel, you put KE. Okay? Your whole spelling list had all of this on there. A lot of those KE and CK words is that vowel that will tell you what to put at the end. Stop doing that with your pencil. Okay, let's go ahead and look at rhyming words. Remember, in order for a word to rhyme, it has to have the same ending sound. What we hear at the end of the word is what we rhyme with. So cat. What would be a word that would rhyme with cat? Mat. Another one that would rhyme with cat. Cat. Mat. Bat. One more, Dennis. Cat. Mat. Bat.
Cat.
No. Did you say cat? Cat. Mat. Bat. What's another word?
Chat.
Chat. Good. Okay, next we have nest. Nest. Words that rhyme with nest. Carson? West, nest, west. That's not a word. Well, technically it kind of is. Less. One more.
Oh, I know. Best.
Best. Yeah. Next we have dig. Words that rhyme with dig. Dig. Joshua?
Rig.
Wig. Faith? Big. One more I'm thinking of. Okay, Avaya, what you have? Big, wig, dig. You're on mute. I can't hear you if you were saying something.
Wig.
We have wig.
Wing.
Dig, wig, big, big. Right, hive. Hive. Words that rhyme with hive. Hive. Dennis?
Die.
Dive. Carson? Hive. Dive. No. No. Live. Hive. Dive. Live. Five. Remember. Good. Rhyming words. All right, let's go over the K and C rule. K goes with
K goes with I and E, sticking the other three. O, and U.
awesome. All right, good. That's it for phonics. You will do your pages. I think it's 15 and 16 on today. Go ahead and get out loose leaf paper. We're moving on to writing. Language.
Hey, Joshua. Hi. Look, I colored this. But that's
Sit, good. All right, next one, Kendall. All right, so this is what we're gonna fill in today to kind of get ready for our test on tomorrow. This one. All right, so I have the definition of a noun up here, but I have a lot of words missing. You will have to fill it in with what words are missing. Then I asked right here, I want to know the 2 types of nouns right here. Let me put that. What's your word? That's a B. That's good, okay. Next one. David, next word. Okay, so let me put that here, 2 types. Okay, do y'all see what I'm saying so far? Yes. So right here, you're gonna finish the definition of a noun. Then I want you to put the 2 types. Then I want you to change these nouns. We have common on one side, proper on the other. So if you can see on this side, I have the common, this side I have the proper. I want you to give me which one is missing. So if I have the common of mom, you need to give me the what? Proper. If I have the proper of Walmart, you need to give me the common of what it is. Do we understand that? All right. Any questions or do you understand, guys? Okay, Avaya?
Need a loosely paper to do that, or why can't we just tell you and do what you can do?
I don't want you to tell me. I want you to write it down. Anybody else have a question? No? We're good? Okay. All right, so you're gonna write your definition, tell me the 2 types of nouns, and change these nouns into which one it should be. If it's common, give me proper. If it's proper, give me common. I'll give you a few minutes. You can start on that. This is something we already kind of know how to do, right? We're in 2nd grade. We learned this in 1st grade. All right, so the first thing we need to do is fill in our definition of a noun. Let's go ahead and finish it, because someone tell me how should I have filled this in correctly. Kenley, what should I put? A noun. Name, person, place, thing, or idea. Good. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. That's what we should have done at the top. Okay? Next part, we have to put the 2 types of nouns. Carson, what are they? Common and proper. We have C for common, E for proper. Okay, next I had a chart of some common, some proper. You had to give me the other. So for the first one, we had common mom. How could I turn mom into a proper noun? Mom is common, turn into a proper noun. Dominique. Okay. Then we went to the next one. We didn't have a common, but we had a proper. Walmart. How do I turn Walmart into a common noun? What will I put? Store. Next, we go have a common noun, policeman. How do I turn policeman into a proper noun? What will I put? Kinley? Officer Carson. Okay, next one, we didn't have the common, but we have the proper. Dr. Brown, how do we turn that into a common noun? Carson? We have a doctor. The next one, we have the common sister. How do I turn that into a proper noun? Mariah? Huh? Okay. All right, good, awesome. So this is what our test will be like on tomorrow. You will have to finish the definition, tell me the 2 types, and giving common and propers, or turning one into the other, okay? All right, guys, that's it for this morning. I'll see you all this afternoon. Bye-bye.